So I don't even know if it's what happened to me. Lip balm लगाने के बाद why can't I speak nicely? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shoini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to create a beautiful glamorous Diwali look and I will be using budget friendly products, not too expensive, मोस्टली अफोर्डेबल. दिवाली में बॉम्ब लगना तो बनता है एंड उसके लिए ये मेकअप लुक बहुत ही सुंदर लगेगा. आई होप सो. लेट्स बिगिन. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मॉइस्चराइज्ड माय स्किन वेरी वेल कुछ देर पहले ही. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद दिस स्ट्रोब क्रीम. दिस इज बाय रिकोड, बट दिस इज द रिकोड गोल्डन ग्लो स्ट्रोब क्रीम. इसको मैं लगाऊंगी. द शेड इज गोल्ड. दे ऑल्सो हैज पिंक, बट मैं आज गोल्ड के वजह से ही जा रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट दैट गोल्डन इफेक्ट फॉर माई स्किन. So I'm just going to apply this on one side and show it to you कि ये कैसा दिखता है. This is super lightweight and it doesn't feel sticky or heavy on the skin. And ये बहुत ही एक बहुत ही light sheen देता है, not too chunky particles which I like, and you can see the golden glow right now. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this Tipsy lip, I don't know, this is peach lip gloss or something like that. So for foundation, I will be using the K-Beauty Cushion Foundation. I have applied once only and that time I love the formula, but the thing is it's quite yellow for me. So today we will try to minimize the yellowness with a purple concealer. Let's see if this works or not. मैं आज पहली बार आप सबके सामने try करने वाली हूँ. The foundation right here on the sponge and do one side. See, this is quite yellow for me. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of this purple concealer. Little bit, not too much. Now I'm going to use a brush to blend instead of the sponge because I don't want to mix it. See, it's still better. You can see the difference already. This one looks very yellow and this one looks more neutral. So I'm using the Inside No Smudge Concealer. The purple one, I use the same brand, Inside Cosmetics. And the shade right now I'm using is MN20. I think it's medium neutral. So I'm just going to apply it wherever I need. Now this color, I know it does not look like it's going to highlight, but I believe this is going to cover up the dark circles and the pigmentation around my mouth. Before, blending my under eye concealer, I will be using a little bit of blush, and this one is the Fee Beauty blush. It's a liquid blush. I love the shade called Saucy. I have been constantly, using this. The shade is just stunning and it just complements Indian skin tone so well. This one is very, very pigmented, by the way, so that's why I'm using it before and I've taken very, very less. It's time to blend the under eye. Next up, to set my full face, I will be using my current favorite. This is the Recode Studio Pro loose powder. This is their Ace of Base banana powder. I love this. The finish it gives is really, really good. I'm going to set my face using the Stays Set Me Up 3-in-1 makeup setting spray. I am really, really enjoying using this. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. For eye makeup, first I'm just going to take a little bit of the same blush, apply it as my transition shade. I'm just going to take it on a fluffy blending brush and blend it on the crease. The color looks so stunning and you have to just gradually, intensify the color. So this is like a small trick that I'm showing you. I hope this works for you. I'm going to add the same on my lower lash line. Now for my actual eye makeup products, I will be using only these two. Now firstly, it's a gel eyeliner. So I'm just going to take it on a flat shader brush right here. So I've taken very lightly and I'm just going to blend it on the crease first. With the same brush which I used to blend the blush on my crease, I'm just going to blend it further. Look at that smoky effect already. Now I'm just going to intensify my eyelid with the same gel liner, and now I'm going to use the same gel liner to tightline and apply it on my waterline as well with a smaller brush. Now it's time to add a little bit of glamour to this eye makeup, and I'm using the Mars liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Russian Radiance. Now to finish off the eye makeup, I'm going to use a little bit of mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Panorama mascara. Now it's time for the lips because yeah, my lips looks very empty. So I'm going to use the Mars Age of Desire lip liner. You guys know how much I love these. I have all the shades and I keep on using this because these are really worth it according to the price, and I don't want to spend too much on lip liners. So yeah, do try them out. The shade I'm using is Choco Butter. For lipstick, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Air Blur Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fawn. Alright, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like it and learn something new. And I just try to make a lot of things very easy and very helpful that you can create. And I hope you guys like it too. And if you do really enjoy watching my videos, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do share my videos with your friends and family so that you guys know I can grow. It's been a long, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to leave all the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.